What is the primary purpose of the passage? This is a structure-based question. So let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about Asian exports not remaining to be a reliable indicator of global demand. The second paragraph talks about the difference between Asian exports and the American economy. The third paragraph offers an explanation regarding the change of structure of Asian trade, and the fourth paragraph says that Chinese exports alone may be a better gauge of the world economy. So it can be inferred that the passage deals with Asian exports and the indicator of global demand, and says that instead of Asian exports, Chinese exports alone are a better judgment about the global economy. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, to explore why Asian exports are growing more slowly than the American economy. The second paragraph refers to the Asian exports growing much more slowly than the American economy, but this comparison is limited in scope and does not highlight the primary purpose of the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, demonstrate that Asian exports are falling. The first paragraph states that the juggernaut of Asian exports appears to be slowing, but the second paragraph says that in volume terms, the shipments, that means the exports, have been more robust. So it can be inferred that the passage offers no definitive view regarding Asian exports. In other words, it is incorrect to state that the Asian exports are falling. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, difference in exports in currency form and volume form. The second paragraph mentions that if you consider currency swings, the exports appear to be shrinking, but in volume terms, the exports are becoming more robust. However, this comparison between the exports in currency form and volume form, this comparison is limited in scope and doesn't highlight the primary purpose of the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, highlight the shift in the gauging of the world economy. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map. Because the first paragraph talks about Asian exports not remaining to be a reliable indicator of global demand, and the subsequent paragraph talks about issues related to this aspect, and the passage concludes by stating that Chinese exports alone may be a better gauge of the world economy. So it is correct to say that overall the passage talks about the shift in the gauge of the world economy. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E, the shift in intra-Asia trade. The third paragraph has references to intra-Asia trade, but this discussion is limited in scope and doesn't highlight the primary purpose of the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. D is the correct answer choice.